Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting comparison in store for you as we pit Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S24, against Google's Pixel 8. With the official announcements and hands-on experiences, it's time to see how these two giants stack up against each other. Now, before we dive into the full comparison, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming in-depth review. Let's get started. Design and size. Samsung and Google, two tech buddies, have brought us some impressive designs. The Galaxy S24 introduces a noticeable change with flat sides and a display reminiscent of the iPhone 15, while Google sticks to its sleek Pixel design with some subtle modifications. Both phones share glossy surfaces, but their camera setups differ. 3 protruding lenses for the S24 and the iconic Pixel Metal are housing 2 cameras. In terms of size, the S24 maintains its compact form, shorter and thinner than the Pixel 8, though they are almost equally wide. For protection, both offer IP68 water and dust resistance, but the S24 boasts Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while the Pixel 8 features the older Gorilla Glass. Stay tuned for a dedicated size comparison in our upcoming video. About colors, Pixel 8 offers 3 options, while Samsung gives you a range from cobalt violet to onyx black. Now, let's move on to the displays. Display differences. Google upped its display game with the Pixel 8, but Samsung remains the display tech champion. The S24 shines with a peak brightness of 2600 nits compared to the Pixel 8's 2000 nits, promising a brighter and more power-efficient experience. Both phones sport 6.2-inch screens with a 120Hz refresh rate, but the devil's in the details. The S24's display can drop to 1 Hz for better power efficiency, giving it an edge. Performance and software. Under the hood, both phones boast a 4nm chipset. However, history suggests Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 may outshine Google's Tensor G3. Stay tuned for our full benchmark results. Both start with 8GB of RAM. In the software department, Google's 7-year support for the Pixel 8 was groundbreaking, but Samsung levels the playing field with the S24. Now, let's focus on the cameras. Pixel phones are known for outstanding cameras, but Samsung steps up with AI features. The S24 introduces advanced noise algorithms, eliminating unwanted reflections and shadows. Stay tuned for a detailed AI comparison in our full review. Google's AI smarts meet Samsung's unique skills, from removing subjects to relocating objects in photos. The battle for AI capabilities is on, and we'll have the full comparison soon. Battery-wise, Pixel 8 has the edge with a larger battery, but Samsung promises optimized performance. Charging, Pixel 8 is slightly faster, but both charge from 0 to 50% in around 30 minutes. Google and Samsung are 2 Android leaders, each offering a unique experience. The Pixel 8 brought excitement with unique features, but Samsung's S24 shakes things up with new AI capabilities. Which approach is better? That's what our full comparison will uncover. Make sure to stay tuned for the ultimate showdown. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to witness the battle of the giants. Until next time.